Hello and welcome to a short walkthrough of noise mode inside of Somnideck. First of all, let me show you how you get there. There is this toggle switch right between the wheels that takes you from one to the other. It's that simple. Somnideck's noise mode is split into three sound sections. First of all, you have synthetic sounds, which is white, pink, brown, turbine, and swell. You could also call these the generated sounds because they are generated right here on device, and they sound a little like this. We'll start with the white and we'll work through them. So here we have white noise, pink noise, just a little softer, it's taking off the high end. Brown noise, even softer still, removing even more of that top end. It's kind of a warmer, more enveloping sound. And then we go on to turbine, which introduces a little motion to the sound. It kind of reminds me of one of those large industrial fans, the kind of things that are like 10 feet tall and they move really slowly. And then we have swell, which is a different style of sound entirely, also with motion. And it was kind of inspired by the huge waves you get in the middle of the deepest parts of the ocean, 200-foot swells, just gently rolling. Next up, we have the environmental sounds. There are 9 of these, some of which are places, some of which are things, and there's kind of something for everyone here. I'll play through them real quick. So there's a real sense of sonic variety through these. Like I say, some of them are things like fan and dryer and fire pit, and others are magical, calming places. And last of all, we have Nocturne. This is a 45-minute piece of music that loops seamlessly, so it effectively can run for as long as you need it to, whether that's just for 1 minute, 10 minutes, or frankly, all day and all night. It's completely up to you. Now here's where it gets cool. These 2 sliders down here, bath and noise, these are volume sliders. So if we wanted to introduce, let's say, the sound of the lanai, we can introduce that right in here. We can either turn the sound of those gentle waves and the insects in the forest. We can make that loud, or we can turn it all the way down. Or if we want to try, let's say, surf. You can include the sound of the waves and really mix that to taste. And then using the EQ up here, you can really push those waves out. So they don't sound like they're quite so close, and now they're maybe half a mile out, breaking on a reef. The whole interface is designed to be as easy to use as possible and really give you a sense of control over the soundscape that you make so you can relax in your way. And if I may show you one more thing. You can play with the particles. They always come back. But they really are a lot of fun. And that is noise mode in Somnideck.